Hello all dinosaurs and dinosaurians. We have 100 sea animals and wild animals in this box. Plenty of them are actually new. Some are still in the pack, so we will be unboxing them together, okay? First figure right here is actually a flying fish, and let's take a look at what are some facts about this fish right over here. They use their wings like fins to glide above the ocean's surface. Wow, really beautiful. I've never seen a flying fish before, in real life. Have you guys seen one before? Please let me know down below. Alright, next up, I'm gonna place all the sea animals on the right hand side, okay? And the wild animals on the left. Right over here, we have a koi fish. So do you guys know that koi fish, some of them can actually live up to like 100 years. Wow, that's really brilliant. We have an Arctic fox right over here, and it looks so beautiful and pretty. Okay, a white Arctic fox. Next up, let's open this up and let's see what's inside. This is actually a woolly mammoth that we have just purchased. Our first woolly mammoth from Safari Ltd. Let's take a look at some facts about this prehistoric elephant. The woolly mammoth was protected from the cold by a thick layer of fat and dense fur. So you can see all this are really dense fur that protected from the cold. Okay, all right, I'm gonna take a look at more animals right over here. What do we have here? We have a huge jaguar. Yes, that's right. It's written right below. Jaguar. It's not a leopard. It's not a cheetah, but a jaguar. All right. What about this? Are you guys able to name this? I think this is a fox. Beautiful one. Gonna place it right over here. Next up. This should be a cheetah. I mean, take a look at the slender body and the slender legs. The fastest land animal. Place it on the right hand side, on the left. Let's take a look at another beautiful sea animal. This is actually a weedy sea dragon. Take a look at the name written right over here, weedy sea dragon. Do you guys know that the male ones are actually the ones that carry the young? It's written right over here. Beautiful weedy sea dragon. I'm gonna show you guys more latest. Some of the latest sea animals that we have purchased is actually below, so stay tuned for that, okay? Check this out. What do we have over here? This is actually a Goliath grouper, and some of them can actually grow up to like 8 feet in length. That is pretty large. All right, next up, let's see walrus. Okay, walrus can also go on the land, but we are gonna place the walrus on the right hand side. And this one, it looks like a sea animal, but it is actually a giant tortoise, and it doesn't live in the water. These turtles only live on the land, so a giant tortoise right over here. Beautiful one. I love tortoises. What about you guys? Next up, we have a quagga. I'm not too sure whether this is an extinct animal, so I need the help of you guys to search and put your comments down below, okay? Next up, what is this? This is another cheetah right over here. This is a beautiful one from Safari Ltd. We have plenty of figures from Safari Ltd. The reason why I have so many of them is because each figure actually comes with a fact card that allows me to read it to you guys, okay? This is actually a sawfish. And what does it say? The sawfish uses its long snout armed with sharp points as a hunting tool. So this tool right here can be used as a hunting tool. Sawfish is written right over here, a 1994 figure. Really beautiful. Let's place it on the right hand side. Let's move on to the reef squid. I don't have many facts about this sea creature, but I can see it has plenty of tentacles. Okay, looks really beautiful. And a crab. This is a brown crab. And speaking of crab, we have more crabs inside this box. And this is the latest shark that we have purchased. It is a blue shark, and the colors of it, the dark blue color, actually helps it to camouflage, deep underwater. Yeah, that's really cool. Next up, we have an alligator with babies. Let's see. Okay, really huge figure. You can see there are like 1, 2, 3 alligator babies, and the alligator babies actually have some stripes across the body, so that's really interesting. Okay, I'm gonna put this right at the back because it's so big. This should be a spotted ray right over here. Let's see what else we've got. We've got a loggerhead. This is actually a leatherback sea turtle. Okay, let's take a look at the name written right below. A 2017 figure, which is like 4 years old already. Beautiful turtle. A lobster, a red lobster with 2 huge pincers, and these 2 are like really long feelers. Let's see what is written right over here. A lobster's hard shell provides excellent protection against hungry predators. Okay, a lobster right over here. Let's just place it right on the right hand side. We have an iguana right over here, a lizard. Looks really beautiful. It has this really long frill, or really long tail as well. This is definitely going on to be on the left. Let's see what else we've got. We've got a sea lion. Let's open this up together, okay? Alright. Let's open this up. What is written right below? Let's see. There's no fact about this, but that's fine. So this is a wild sea lion. Beautiful one. Next up, what is this? I think this should be an antelope. I'm not too sure what is the exact species for this, so if you guys know, do help me up down below. A Komodo dragon, you can find plenty of them in Indonesia. A sperm whale, one of the largest sea mammal that you can find. Narwhal, this can be used as a hunting tool, I suppose. Really interesting sea animal. Next up, we have a pilot whale. I really love this really round and puffy looking head. It reminds me of the beluga whale. This is a bonnet head shark, which is closely related to the hammerhead shark. We have a lion right over here. Okay, a lion. And a tiger. Do you guys know that tigers are actually bigger than lions? Okapi. This is pretty hard to spot. They're really rare and they're known as the unicorns of Congo. Yeah. Snow leopard right over here. They have thick fur to protect themselves from the cold. We have a white lioness right over here. Beautiful figure from Schleich. Really love this. And a Nanmu Studio, not Nanmu Studio, PNSO lion. This is a sea turtle. Yeah, it looks really beautiful. I really love turtles. They are such docile animals. A black tip reef shark, so you can actually recognize this with the black tip on the different fins. A squid right over here, another squid. We have a small little leopard. Yes, that's right. A gibbon, really adorable looking monkey. Hippopotamus can be pretty aggressive. They can be pretty dangerous. In fact, they actually kill more humans in Africa than the lions. Clownfish right over here, also known as the clown anemone fish. We have plenty of them today. We have 3 of them, in fact, right over here. Another one. This is a new figure that we have just purchased. And this is a new shark that was just opened not too long ago. Thresher shark, can see it has a super long tail right over here. Thresher sharks feed on squid, octopuses, and schooling fish. We have a crocodile right over here. It could be I'm not too sure. It could be an alligator, an octopus, a red one, or we can consider this as a brown one. We have a collared lizard, if I'm not wrong. Yes, that's right. If you take a look at the name, it's hard to see, but this is actually a collared lizard. Really beautiful and colorful lizard. We have a white alligator right over here. Okay, another alligator. Yep, that's right, from Mojo. And this is actually known as a caiman. It's actually pretty small. It's about this size, the size of this box right over here. It's a very small looking crocodile. While most caiman species are small, the black caiman can grow up to 16 feet long. Wow, that's pretty cool. A lobster right over here. We have a corn snake. Yes, a corn snake. Really beautiful looking, but you guys know that the more colorful the snake it is, the more poisonous it is. Right over here we have a salmon fish. A lot of people use them for food. Oh sorry, this is actually a largemouth bass. Largemouths can reach up to like 20 pounds, but a 5-pound fish is considered large. Alright, this is also a brand new figure that we've just purchased. This should be a lizard from Australia. I can't remember, what is the exact name. And this is a catfish. Check this out, a catfish. Catfish use their whiskers to search for food in murky water. And we have an orca, also known as a killer whale. And this is actually a Spanish bull. Okay, nice. And this is a Nile crocodile. I'm gonna place it right in the middle because it can also live on the land as well as in the sea. An anglerfish. This little light bulb is used to attract prey, and once they're near the mouth, they will just gobble it up. Yep, that's right. This is a Himalayan tar right over here. Okay, they're pretty good climbers. And this is a humpback whale. Let's see. Humpbacks were hunted extensively and they remain endangered. Alright. This is a octopus right over here. They are really good at camouflaging. Another red lobster. And a blue crab. This blue crab was just purchased not too long ago. Blue crab has teeth in the stomach much like other crabs. And this is an Australian sea lion. And a blue spotted ray. And this stingray actually got its name from the way it looks. Alright. And this is a hammerhead shark. And this is a rattlesnake, sidewinder rattlesnake. And this is a beautiful shark. Let's see, what is this? Mako, short fin mako shark right over here. And a tortoise. This is a tortoise. And this is a sperm whale. Let's see some facts about this. Sperm whales can dive deeper than 3,000 feet and they can hold their breath for up to like 30 minutes. 90 minutes or 30 minutes, let's see. 90 minutes, wow, that's pretty long. What about this? This is, let's see, white-tipped reef shark. Unlike most sharks, this species does not need to constantly swim to breathe. Yes, that's right. So it doesn't really need to swim constantly. Cause do you guys know that sharks, they cannot stop swimming? And this is a penguin right over here. A silverback gorilla, that are like the alpha males of their herd. A chimpanzee, they're very, very strong animals. Blue tang, we just purchased this figure not too long ago. Blue tangs can adjust the intensity of their color. Oh, let's open up one of this. Armadillo. Let's open up this armadillo right over here. This is a very, very interesting animal. I've never seen one in my real life before. Only one species of armadillo is able to roll itself into a protective ball. Wow, cool. So it can basically roll itself into a ball because this body is actually very, very tough. It's like armor, protecting it against predators. A frogfish, one of the weirdest looking fish that you can ever find out there. And this should be a rockhopper penguin, if I'm not wrong. Yes, that's right, a rockhopper penguin. I really love the hairstyle, it looks so cool. And this is a mandrill. Boxfish. I think this is like the most adorable figure in our box today. Emperor penguin, the largest species of penguins. Another really cool looking penguin. That amazing hairstyle, the rockhopper penguin. Yeah, that's right. And we have a hyena. They are usually like the bad guys in kids movies, kids cartoons. And this is a little lizard. I'm not too sure what is the exact one. This should be a rattlesnake, I think so. And this is a little penguin. This figure was purchased from Science and Nature. Very nice figure. And we have an electric eel, I think so. Yes, that's right. So this is like 100 sea animals and 100 wild animals in a box. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And please let me know what other figures we should purchase more. Oh yes, we still have one more figure. Okay, this is actually an African wild dog. Maybe let's open this in our next video. Okay, yep. Alright, thanks for watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.